Smoking and a lack of working smoke detectors are to blame for that family of four dying in a Greenfield house fire 2 weeks ago. State Fire Marshal said improper disposal of a cigarette started the fire on Meridian Street September 25th. The fire killed 3 adults and a child. There were no working smoke detectors in the home, and the importance of those smoke detectors cannot be emphasized enough.
It's going to tell you when you have smoke. It's going to let you know. It's going to give you that opportunity to get out of your home with enough time safely.
A lot of them have a 10-year battery built into them, which actually spans the entire life of the smoke detector itself. So you never have to worry about, did I change the batteries?
If you have a smoke detector that requires changing the battery, it's recommended you test that battery at least once a month to make sure it's working. You should also replace your smoke detector with a new one every 10 years.